The commodity directory stores information about your commodities so they can be easily retrieved and added to a handling unit while creating a bill of lading. It's a convenient way to save detailed information about a commodity, such as its freight class, NMFC number, and its hazmat information if it has to be documented as hazardous material. To retrieve a commodity from the directory while preparing a bill of lading, click into the lookup field in the Handling Unit's Commodity section. Select it from the list or narrow the list by typing in the commodity's nickname. To edit a commodity in the directory, click its Edit link. To add a new one, click the Add Commodity button. Enter or edit the information about the commodity and then click Save at the bottom of the page. Now you'll be able to retrieve the commodity the next time you are preparing a bill of lading.